Hello, Weekly Wedding Singer here. Last week I taught you guys how to crack your neck. This time I'm going to explain a little bit further, more detail on how to crack your neck in a certain angle, in a certain position, and crack it where you want it. Like right here, or right here, or right here. So let's get to it. A lot of people ask me, how do you learn how to crack your neck or crack other people's neck? Well, I'll watch a lot of YouTube videos on different chiropractors, and this particular Blackpink video, he just whoosh Jenny's neck like that. You can see the footage right here.
그대로 봐, 그대로 봐. 자, 확인해봐.
와우.
와우. 괜찮아?
네. 제 목에 그런 게 있었어요. 와, 대박.
힘쭉 빼고. 힘 빼고.
와.
Another video I watched is from Dr. Johnson. He used a towel and just yanked the neck. And you can see the footage right here.
Okay. We're going to do this nice and smooth for Martha. Exhale. There you go. There you go. Good.
아, 이거 좀.
And I combined these two and I made this video. And wrap it around her neck. Look this way. And place the towel right here across the chin. And then slowly move it upwards. You can feel the stretch from right here going up. So once you feel your neck stretch out this far, and that's the farthest you can go, to crack your neck, you quickly pull and tug, like so. With that in mind, how do we find the spot that we want to crack? Right here or right here? Well, we use our fingers and align it on our cervical. So right here and right here. The upper cervical and the lower cervical. And then you move your head like this, and you can feel the upper cervical moving along your finger. And if you want to do the lower cervical, you bend down and then move this way. You can feel the whole area move. And then once you get that muscle memory, apply that towel method that I taught you guys last week, or you can find the link down below and give it a try. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.